I guess whoa. I guess I'm just confused because why am I manipulative? Simply for being me. And you were manipulated by it. Like, I still don't really get what that has to do with me. Because, like, what you're thinking is manipulation is really just me being in my body and in my senses, in my movement, in my fluidity, and in my softness. Yes. Today, Junior. I'm a good mom, I promise. What? I said, today, Junior. I said, spit it out. Oh, can I change you? Yes, I will, right now.